To me, this tiny space, okay, I need to think about that. Well, to me this tiny space is actually a thing of beauty. It is so simple and it looks so simple and it seems so minimal that it doesn't reflect the extraordinary complexity that sits behind the whole design process. And so this tiny space feels like quite magical in a way that we've been able to produce something that feels like it just was always here and it always looked like this without it feeling like it's been pressured or forced to take on any particular form. It feels very natural. And we often talk about the property as design and nature, and we wanted to create this beautiful connection between design and nature, seamless sort of interaction between the two, and this space feels like it achieved that. So we're just on the edge of the small township of Hepburn, which is connected to Hepburn Springs, and just right up here on the right of our view. There was a lot of thought about, you know, what the feel of the place would need to be. Part of that is in the colour and part of that is in the texture, and part of it is actually what's in the place. So the bathroom, being able to sit in the bath and watch the sun set, being able to sit on the deck and feel like you're just sort of on the edge, or to walk down a bit further down the hill to a deck which really sits people right on the edge of the gorge. To actually understand this building, you probably need to sit on the deck of our house. One of the things we wanted to do was to create a building which for us from home looked like a sculpture. One of the delights of this is that we managed to put together a fantastic group of people. So we sort of ended up with a designer and a maker, really, and we often laugh, we were the financiers with not much regard for budget, but we did end up with a fantastic designer and architect who are friends of ours, Brett and David from Robert Nicol and Sons.
In my mind, it was always I wanted to use a single material because